Now that Al has shown you some of the tools that we use out in the field, we're going to show you how to use them. Before we get started, I can't stress enough the importance of safety. Okay, the first thing we do when we repair lockers is we visually inspect for parts that are missing or broken. In this case, we have a broken handle. What we do is we remove the hardware with our 6-in-1 screwdriver, take out the broken lift, replace the new lift, put the handle back in, and replace the hardware. This locker would be repaired completely. The second thing we do is we replace any hardware that might be missing. If the door doesn't have something solid to strike against, it won't latch properly. The way we replace the hardware is we push the door back into alignment. We take a sheet metal awl, as you saw before, line up the holes, and put the hardware back in. Next, we take our 3/8 nut driver, and pick the hardware back up. The final thing we do to make sure the doors are all operating properly is to make sure none of the frame hooks are out of alignment, and if they are, we simply bang them back into shape. As you can see, all of these doors are not working properly.